Morning sunlight, the free therapy we often overlook. Most people associate sunlight only with vitamin D. And while that's true, our body does need sunlight to produce vitamin D. Its role goes far beyond just being a source of vitamins.
Now imagine this. There's one simple free thing you can do every morning that has the power to lift your mood, sharpen your mental focus, reset your sleep cycle, and even ease symptoms of depression. No tools required, no fancy apps or supplements, just a few minutes of morning sunlight.
This isn't just a theory or random wellness advice. It's backed by real science, from neuroscience to circadian rhythm biology. When sunlight reaches your eyes and skin, it triggers powerful chemical and biological responses inside your body that directly influence brain function, hormone levels, and your nervous system.
Resetting your biological clock, the primary role of morning light.
Every human has what's known as a biological clock, or more precisely, a circadian rhythm. This internal rhythm regulates when you feel sleepy, hungry, alert, or energized. But this rhythm doesn't operate like a traditional clock. It relies on environmental cues, and the most powerful one is natural light, especially from the morning sun. When sunlight first hits your eyes in the morning, that light is sent as a signal to a tiny area of your brain called the SCN, suprachiasmatic nucleus, the master regulator of your body's internal rhythms. Once triggered, this center begins to release a cascade of hormones. For example, it signals the release of cortisol, your energy hormone, while simultaneously suppressing melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep. Without this morning light exposure, your internal systems begin to desynchronize. You might wake up physically, but feel mentally foggy. Energy levels remain low throughout the day, and you may struggle to fall asleep at night. Even if your alarm wakes you up, your brain might still be asleep. That's why productivity feels off and motivation plummets. No caffeine or time management trick can fully substitute this natural wake-up cue.
A natural mood stabilizer.
Morning sunlight also plays a crucial role in regulating your mood.
One key reason is its ability to stimulate the release of serotonin, a neurotransmitter responsible for emotional balance and mental clarity. Serotonin not only helps you feel good, but also improves appetite, sleep quality, digestion, attention, and overall emotional stability. Serotonin production increases when bright light enters the eyes and stimulates receptors in the retina. This process happens naturally every time you're exposed to morning sunlight. When your serotonin levels are healthy, you feel energized, calm, and in control. But if you stay indoors too long, away from natural light, your serotonin levels begin to drop. This decline can leave you feeling low, irritable, unmotivated, or emotionally disconnected. It doesn't mean something's wrong with you. It simply means your brain chemistry is out of balance due to lack of light. Over time, this can even lead to seasonal affective disorder, SAD, a type of depression triggered by low sunlight exposure, especially during the winter or prolonged periods of gloomy weather. And here's the important part. No app, no supplement, no therapy hack can fully replace what sunlight naturally provides. Our bodies were designed to live in sync with the cycles of light and dark. When we lose touch with that, imbalance sets in. Vitamin D and its role in dopamine production. Besides serotonin, sunlight also plays a role in vitamin D synthesis, which is essential for the production of dopamine, a neurotransmitter that governs motivation, pleasure, focus, and reward. When UVB rays from the sun hit your skin, they kickstart the body's production of vitamin D. This vitamin then supports the brain's ability to produce dopamine. With healthy dopamine levels, everyday tasks feel rewarding, your goals feel achievable, and your achievements bring you real joy.
Now imagine doing all the right things, working out, eating healthy, socializing, but not getting enough sunlight. You may start to notice something odd. Even good things no longer feel good. Achievements don't bring satisfaction. Relationships feel emotionally flat. Work feels dull. You begin to lose interest and motivation. Most people mistake this for burnout or emotional fatigue, but the truth might be simpler. It's a biochemical imbalance caused by insufficient sunlight.
Here's how the silent chain reaction works. No sunlight, low vitamin D, low dopamine, low drive and joy.
Over time, this creates a hidden emotional drain that quietly steals your energy, leaving you feeling like something is off, even when everything on paper seems perfectly fine. How much sunlight do you need? To gain the maximum benefits, you only need about 15 to 20 minutes of sunlight in the morning, ideally between 6:30 a.m. and 8:30 a.m., when the sunlight is bright enough to stimulate the brain, but not too harsh on the skin. You don't need to stare at the sun directly. Just being outside, with natural light touching your skin and entering your eyes, without sunglasses or window glass in the way, is enough. You can walk, water your plants, stretch, or simply sit on your porch. The key is exposure to natural light without barriers. Do this consistently for 7 consecutive days, and you'll start to notice changes. Better sleep, clearer thoughts, brighter moods, and renewed energy. All without pills, without stimulants, without pressure. Final thoughts. In today's fast-paced world full of digital distractions and artificial fixes, we often forget that the simplest, most natural solutions are often the most powerful. Morning sunlight is one of them. Free, always available, and scientifically proven to enhance your mental and physical health. Ignoring it is like letting your body run without a compass, but welcoming it just 20 minutes a day gives your body a chance to reset, recharge, and realign with its natural rhythm. Don't wait until something feels wrong. Step outside tomorrow morning. Open your arms. Let the sun shine on your skin and watch your mind and body come alive again.